It was very windy today, and this is my executive outfit. Have a great day, and may God bless us all. Today is so very windy outside. I need to go right now. I'm just passing by on this street, and I just want to drink my favorite Karak tea. Just a minute. Yeah, this is my favorite. I need to go to this restaurant while I'm waiting for the car. It's very windy, that's why my hair was so very messy right now. Let's wait. I'm just walking on the street and I need to sit down because still the car is not yet coming. Yes. Oh my God, there is some kind of dissonance. Yes, I'm here in this restaurant. This is one of my favorite restaurants. Yeah, I can't open the door because it's so very windy outside here. My friend, I want to drink my tea here because it's windy outside. I'm just waiting for the car. It's very windy outside. I want to sit there, but the wind is so strong.
Too much cold.
Yeah. It make my hair messy so much. Actually, I ate my breakfast already, but just allowed to drink the Karak tea because the Karak tea here is very very nice, and just so tasty. Yeah. To all my subscriber, I hope you really like my vlog for this morning. It was so very windy outside, and I cannot stay longer there. And I don't know. Maybe if I will go to the beach. It was so very cold right now. I don't think so. I'm gonna check the weather today. If the weather is very good or no, And have a great morning, and buenos dias, gracias, hola, señorita, señorita, buenas noches, gracias. Continue to subscribe my YouTube channel. I'm gonna make some nice vlog. I'm gonna make my schedule if my schedule is not hectic. I just want to do a great vlog when I go to Dubai, and when I go to, maybe today I'll go to Albertine. And thank you so much.